Hey guys, Zipp2001. Thanks for joining me after service today. Man, what a beautiful fall day. On the way home, I stopped and looked at an interesting truck. And then I cut through the campground, and this time of year now, once summer's ended, once Labor Day comes, they don't charge to get into the area anymore. So there's no little rangers at the parking lot entrance. But so you would figure more people would take advantage of it, especially on a day like this, but it turns into a ghost town real quick. And that just means the trails turn into a ghost town even more than what they normally are. Like I said, during the summer I might see some hikers, but I see way more horseback riders. I'll see those up until winter. But as far as bike riders go, not unless I bring them out. I was real disappointed this year. I put a notice up in the bike shop for Wednesday night trail ride, and I stopped in several times in the bike shop, and they said people were writing the information down to contact me, and no one took me up on the offer. So we'll try it again next year and see if we get some people to ride out in this hidden gem of central Massachusetts. So hey, thanks for riding along, man. Stay safe. Woo-hoo. All right, let's go get the legs loose and the back loose. Two projects today. Leg loose. Get past this little jump section of the road. Oh man. Ay, ay, ay. Looks like we're going to be going into the wind. Red light. Red light. see you there. For sale. Oh, look at that. The lake goes silent. Camping season is done. Camping season is done. It's over.